everyone, welcome to MX Store YouTube channel. After a great response to Hero Xpulse, today we have another thrilling machine with us, the KLX 300. Today we're going to make some changes into that, and in the end, the owner himself's gonna say a few words about it. So let's go. We have changed the handlebar, which was 7 by 8 inch in size, to 1 by 1/8 in size, which is also known as a fat bar. And here we have installed ODI Podium Flight Fat Bar. This particular bar is selected by the rider by himself as per his riding position and style and comfort. To accommodate the fat bar, we have used JC Moto handlebar mount. This particular mount can also raise the bar, meaning it can also be used as a handlebar riser. We have equipped KLX 300 with ODI Rogue lock-on grips, which is specially designed for dirt biking and off-roading. The USP of lock-on grips, they are easy to install and remove. You don't have to wait for glue to dry. It also offers 100% guaranteed slip-free performance under any condition. All fittings are done. Now let's see how our customer likes his bike and what is his review.
Hi, my name is Sandeep Hingne and I am the owner of this KLX 300R. Right now I have changed my handle, which is ODI Podium Flight, then this ODI grips, then handlebar mount in MX Store Pune, because Vicky is my very good friend आणि हे सगळं काम मी विकीकडेच करतो. Thank you.
We are using Moto Cinch, which is designed to keep bike stable during transportation. Finally, we are securing the equipments with MotoGate. It is 7 by 54 inch nylon net with adjustability on each side. Fully adjustable and load restraint. Eliminate cargo shifting, great for all trucks, van and SUVs. Easy on, easy off and easy storage. For more updates, stay tuned and subscribe the channel. Thank you.